This is how many runs you would have for a half factorial DOE with 5 factors at 2 levels.
What is 16?
This diagram is used to set the scope of the process being studied. It includes suppliers, inputs, processes, and other stuff.
What is a SIPOC diagram?
CPK or PPK. For long-term data over multiple lots, you would use this one.
What is CPK?
What is PPK?
This document is often used to explain the nature of the project, the problem, goal, team members, stakeholders, etc.
What is a project charter?
In a statistical hypothesis test, this is the likelihood you will detect a difference or relationship if one exists.
What is the power of the test, or 1 minus beta?
A control plan includes monitoring of key inputs and outputs and a plan and protocol to do this if an issue arises.
What is respond?
This graphical tool helps to understand the relationship between two variables. It might show correlation.
What is a scatter plot diagram?
This diagram is used for grouping or organizing ideas by theme.
What is an affinity diagram?
This type of data can be sorted into distinct, non-overlapping categories. Examples include types of vehicles, artificial scales of 1 to 5 on surveys, and counts of items.
What is discrete or attribute data?
This tool might be used to find the best settings for making microwave popcorn while considering multiple factors simultaneously.
What is design of experiments?
Thanks. That is our show for today.